Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you all the details of the new DACIA Spring Extreme. So this is the special trim, top of the line model Extreme, which not only has this beautiful design and special design elements, but also it's got more power. This car has got the 65 horsepower electric motor, unlike the 45 horsepower for the standard version. So we have 20 horsepower more. But let's start with the design, as that's also changed on this Extreme edition. Now this is obviously the 2023 model with the new logo, as you can see here, D and C letters like the links of the chain, and then the grille is changed as well with those beautiful white elements that go very well with the daytime running LEDs which you see here. Now the main lights units are here, and then these are the beautiful Cooper brown details. You will spot them on the wing mirrors and throughout the whole car as part of the Extreme trim that has those beautiful design elements. Let me show you the side profile. 3 meters 73.4 centimeters is the length of the car, so very easy to maneuver it in the city. And by the way, this is the key, so the classic key, but you do have the new DACIA logo on it. Now you spot those Cooper brown details, look at this, and the new DACIA logo here as well. But look at this cool element, the topographical design, both here and also on the side as well. You will also spot the same pattern in the interior in a moment. Let me just show you those wheels, 165/70 R14, and these are actually the wheel caps. Actually, they did a great job in my opinion, because they do look very similar to the standard alloy wheels. I love those two-tone design, and you see the black and the silver, and the new DACIA badge is here as well. The name of this color is the Stonewash Blue Metallic. I think it suits the car very well, especially because of the nice contrast with the Cooper brown elements. And by the way, look at this on the roof rails as well. And here from the rear, look at this. So you have the beautiful design of the lights at the back, Y shape here, and then DACIA lettering, once again Cooper brown, Spring electric. And yeah, you can spot that this is the Extreme version by, for example, this lettering. Now if you want to open the trunk, press this, there we go, and we do actually have the spare tire here in the same size, 165/70 R14. So this is the optional extra, probably worth having in my opinion. Cables are here, and yeah, well, nice square shape. And actually for a car of this size, I think this is really good in terms of trunk space and the practicality itself. Now let me close the tailgate and show you more details now of the bumper itself. Satin finish here, looks very nice. And you also see the parking sensors. This is to open the trunk, which I just showed you. But look at this, here we have the rear view camera as well. So I want to hear your thoughts on the design, and now it's time that we check out the interior. All right, let's step inside and look at this. So first of all, Cooper brown detail here, huge amount of room here in the door pocket. You also get this special section here for your bottle. Now this topographical design, even on the floor mat, but also here on the seals. How cool is that? Really nice attention to details, and yeah, big thumb up from me. But now let's see this from driver's perspective. Let's start with a wider view. So this is the steering wheel with the DACIA lettering, digital cockpit here, and then this cool graphics on the left and on the right. And here we have the main 7-inch screen, Cooper brown details throughout the interior as well, so follows the pattern from the exterior, which is quite cool. Now let me change the view and show you more details. All right, then the main touchscreen, the air vents are located here above the screen itself. Here you have some buttons, including the one for the hazard lights, eco mode, and then these are the buttons for the windows. and they actually close and open very fast. As you can see, the AC is here, very easy to use it, and then you can also then regulate the temperature and the modes, as well as the circulation of the air. If you want to switch off the traction control, you can do it here. You also have the speed limiter, 12-volt power supply, a lot of room in here in this middle section. And then this is very cool, it's the rotating gear selector. So you see, look at this, drive, neutral, and reverse. When you go into reverse, you also get the view from the rear view camera. You can then adjust here various things, so the graphics and those lines, whether you want them or not. But yeah, this is very cool, and you get used to this easily. The parking brake is the standard one. Here is where we have the glove compartment. It's huge actually for a car of this size, and let me show you the specs here. So this is the Extreme Electric 65. This would be the price without the options, but as you can see, we do have some options spec'd on this car. Cable mode 2, DC charging, the spare tire with the normal dimensions, and this beautiful stonewash blue metallic color, and that gives us the total price which you see here. And now it's time to check out the infotainment system. It's a well-known system from Dacia. You can have a bunch of things here, and it's very easy to use it actually, and it's pretty responsive as well, so that's a big thumb up from me. Phone connection, and you also have media if you connect the device, obviously. Now the settings, here is where you can adjust the volume and various things about your audio. Display settings, you can adjust the brightness, and then connectivity, there we go, and system settings as well. So for display, you can also turn off the rear view camera, but I don't want to do that obviously. Map mode, you have the day or night or auto mode. And speaking about the map, let me show you that as well. So there we go. And I will show you more details during our night point of view drive. So stay tuned for that. You also have some options here, and then you can also change the view, but I prefer this one. If you want to change the volume, you can do it here. And then if you press this, you go into this sort of like the screensaver and the clock, and press this again to go back to where you were before. This is the USB port, and aux is here as well, I believe. And yeah, well, various things are available. Lock button, and then eco mode, you see it's on for maximum efficiency. It can save up to 9% of energy, and also the speed is limited to 100 kilometers per hour when you have the eco mode turned on. You can also press the navigation here to see the settings of the map, and yeah, well, put on the address of your destination, stuff like that. So yeah, a lot of options, but once again, easy to use this system. Checking out the rear view mirror, there we go. Lights are here, and then these are the sun visors on both sides. Now we are ready to explore the rear bench. All right, and I'm 1.87 m. So yes, I can sit here, but obviously on shorter trips. And I can also show you the situation for my head. Okay, and this is how it looks. So just about right. I'm 1.87 m once again. Speaking about the specifications, so the Extreme version has got the 65 horsepower electric motor, 20 horsepower more than the other versions. Also, it's got 125 Newton meters of torque. Speaking about the battery, this car has the 26.8 kilowatt hour battery, and range by WLTP standard, so the combined cycle, is 220 kilometers, and in the city 310 kilometers by WLTP standard. In order to open the charging port, just press this, and then you can just open it here and start to charge. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe. We are now going on a point of view drive. Stay tuned for more and see you on the next video. Bye bye.